Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. So, we've all had that moment, haven't we? You open up the fridge, ready to dive into your favorite snack, and boom! You're hit with that not-so-pleasant aroma? Yeah, that's what we're fixing today. So buckle up as we teach you how to get rid of fridge smell. But first, what are things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, let's jump in. The first step is emptying out the fridge. Yeah, you heard me. Everything needs to go. While it might sound like a drag, it's a perfect opportunity to throw away any old leftovers or expired condiments. Trust me, you'll feel lighter once it's done. Now, with everything out, it's time to scrub a dub-dub. Warm water, dish soap, and a toothbrush are your best friends here. Get into all the nooks and crannies and give it a good scrub. According to a study by the University of Arizona, your fridge handle can be one of the filthiest places in your home. Icky, right? So, let's make sure that handle is squeaky clean. Once you've scrubbed it clean, give it a rinse with a vinegar and water solution. It's a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, you know? Researchers from Michigan State University even found that vinegar can kill up to 99% of bacteria. Isn't science awesome? All right, your fridge is now clean. But what about that smell that just won't quit? Here's where our smell-busting trio comes in: baking soda, vanilla extract, and coffee grounds. Baking soda is a real champion here. There's some pretty neat science from a team over at the American Chemical Society that says baking soda can interact with smelly compounds and literally neutralize them. Whoa, right? For the coffee lovers out there, you're going to love this. Fresh coffee grounds can help absorb odors too. There's a study from the Journal of Hazardous Materials that confirmed coffee's superpowers in trapping foul smells. And to top it off, a dab of vanilla extract on a piece of cotton can leave your fridge smelling like a bakery. But hey, who wouldn't want their fridge smelling like a fresh batch of cookies? Finally, put everything back in, but remember, organization is key. By maintaining cleanliness, you'll ensure your fridge stays fresh and odor-free. Alright folks, that's the scoop on how to get rid of fridge smell. Now it's your turn to create some fridge freshness magic. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends who might need this no-saving guide. And hey, did you find this helpful? Then hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and share your experience. Remember, everyone's fridge has secrets, so don't be shy. Thanks for watching, and here's to fresh fridges everywhere.